Kalesi castle in Girne. Girne has existed since the 19th century BC. Excavations have revealed Greek traces dating back to the 7th century BC, but the city grew into a city under Roman rule. The Byzantines built a castle to protect the city from the new Arab naval threat. The first historical mention of the castle appears in 1191. In 1489 the Venetians conquered Cyprus, and in 1540 they enlarged the castle and gave it its present form. In 1570, Kyrénia surrendered to the Ottomans. The tomb of the Ottoman Admiral Sadika Pašu is located in the castle. The British often used it as a police barracks and a training school. The castle was also used as a prison for members of the Greek Cypriot organization UCA. In 1950, the Kyrénia Department of Antiquities took control of the castle, although it returned to British control during the UCA riots. In 1960, the castle was opened to the public. In the years 1963 and 1967, however, the castle was used by the Cyprus National Guard as a military headquarters. After the Turkish invasion of Cyprus, the Department for Monuments and Museums in Girne was closed in 1974. The department preserves icons that were collected from churches in the Kyrénian area before 1974 and stores them in the locked premises of the castle for safekeeping.